Lack of self-esteem and confidence, on the other hand, can create insecurity, anxiety, and self-criticism that diminishes one's natural glow. Hence, boosting self-confidence should be an essential step in promoting true personal beauty in both mind and body. Developing real self-confidence does not happen overnight but requires conscious effort and practice over time. Set small achievable goals and work on improving aspects of yourself that you are not fully satisfied with yet. With every goal achieved and every personal progress made, you build upon your confidence. However, do not rely solely on external validation for self-worth. Remember that you are intrinsically valuable regardless of accomplishments. Focus on self-acceptance, realizing that imperfections make you human. You do not have to be perfect to be worthy of love and respect. Once you believe that within yourself, the perception of others will slowly align with your own. Adopt a growth mindset that acknowledges effort and patience are vital for development. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations, words of kindness, and visualization of success. Reflect on past successes, no matter how small, and let them remind you of what you are capable of. Find role models and sources of inspiration that encourage you. Surround yourself with positive, uplifting people who see the best in you. Avoid those who constantly criticize or put you down. Shield yourself from toxic influences that chip away at your confidence. Practice mindfulness and meditation to cultivate inner peace and clarity. Learn techniques to calm your nerves and reduce stress and anxiety. A peaceful mind allows you to see yourself more objectively, with less harsh judgment and self-criticism. When you feel confident and at ease within yourself, you project an aura of comfort that draws people to you. So take time for self-care, follow a healthy lifestyle and get enough sleep. Exercise regularly to boost mood, reduce stress hormones and give you an athletic physique. A fit, healthy body fosters physical confidence that radiates an attractive glow. Focus your energy on things that give you joy and fulfillment. Pursue your passions and interests with zest and gusto. When you love what you do, it shows. Invest in developing your skill sets to boost competence, and competence breeds confidence. Learn something new that stretches your capabilities. Accomplishments, no matter how big or small, strengthen your belief in yourself. Above all, realize that true beauty comes from within. Work on feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. The modern ideal of physical beauty is constantly changing and often unattainable.